Cancer is just a sickness. It is not the end of the world. I am Sumitra Rodriguez. At the age of 44, that is in September of 2019, I was diagnosed of breast cancer. But when I met Dr. Anupama Borkar at GMC for an opinion, for a consultation, the way she explained to me, the way she gave me time, gave the proposal, I was very much comforted, and more than every other facility, I took the decision that I would want to be treated with her, and I'm happy I did so.
आमच्याच कलिगान सांगलें की हांगा डॉक्टर अनुपमा बरी डॉक्टर आसा, बरी ट्रीट करता. मागीर हांगा आयलीं आमी आनी मागीर ट्रिटमेंट चालू जालो. ट्रिटमेंट चालू जातकीर म्हणजे हांगासरले जे स्टाफ आसा तांणी भरपूर मदत केली, जे प्रायवेटान सुद्दां जावचें ना अशें म्हाका तरी दिसता. पयलीं खुबशे म्हजे अशे नेगेटीव विचार आशिल्ले की हांगा आनी कितें जातलें अशें म्हूण, पण हांगा येतकीर सगळें बरेंच म्हाका दिसून आयलें, जें प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलांनी सुद्दां जावचें ना अशें.
I'm Dr. Jude Rodriguez, Professor and Head, Department of Surgery, Goa Medical College. Breast cancer, though common, is a treatable and a curable disease if detected in early stages. The Department of Surgery has been doing breast cancer surgeries for the past many decades and with high success rates. We have had patients who have been operated by us, who have been treated by us, and have had a survival of around 15 to 20 years.
Today, Goa Medical College is observing the Breast Cancer Day. The whole October month has been a breast cancer month, and today we are invited some patients who are the survivors of the breast cancer. There will be felicitation of these patients at the hands of Honorable Health Minister. Now, if you see, the breast cancer has been increasing, the incidence has been increasing day by day, and the early detection is the solution.
So my mother was immediately admitted for the biopsy, and the testing was done at the GMC pathology department by the late Mrs. Menezes. It was confirmed that it is a malignant case and a cancer case. I was in two minds, shocked and devastated to think about it. And doctor said, "You don't worry, I will do the surgery." And the surgery was fixed for January 1996, where my mother undergo the operation. It was a successful operation, thanks to Dr. Jude Rodriguez, his team, and the staffs in the ward taking care of my mother. 2019, my mother passed away, but she died not because of cancer. She died because of a heart failure. And I thank Dr. Jude for giving an extended life to my mother, 24 years.
I'm Dr. Vandana Dhume, working with the Directorate of Health Services. I was diagnosed as breast cancer in the month of March 2021, after which I underwent the surgery and was referred for chemotherapy and radiation therapy. I took my 16 cycles of chemotherapy in the Goa Medical College in the Department of Medical Oncology, which is headed by Dr. Anupama Borkar. The team, that is all the doctors as well as the nurses and all the staff here working in this department are really dedicated staff. And every time I came here, they made me very comfortable and at home. And it is an excellent initiative which is taken by the government, where they are providing all the medicines for chemotherapy free of cost and the best of the medicine to each and every patient coming here.
The month of October is observed all over the world as Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and breast cancer awareness is indeed the need of the hour. Being the commonest cancer affecting women, almost 1 in every 8 women is likely to develop breast cancer in her lifetime. Younger age at presentation and higher stage at presentation are also causes for concern. But there is hope. Breast cancer can be prevented and breast cancer can be cured. Adopting a healthy lifestyle can decrease the chance of developing breast cancer. This includes avoiding alcohol and tobacco, maintaining a healthy weight by daily exercise and nutritious food which is rich in fruits and vegetables, by stress reduction by means like yoga, pranayam, meditation, by having pregnancies earlier in life, preventing late pregnancies, by breastfeeding the baby, and by limited use of oral contraceptives. Also, being aware of one's body, doing monthly self-breast examination and timely periodic mammographies can detect breast cancer at an early stage when it is curable. But most important than that, we offer hope and support. We treat not only the patient, but we treat the whole family, because when cancer affects one person in the family, it is the entire family which gets affected.
I would like to thank today Dr. Jude and also the Honorable Minister, Mr. Viswajit Rane, for doing a wonderful job at GMC, upgrading the facilities for all types of sicknesses and patients that come here. Everybody looks at GMC as the last resort to give us a new life to the people, especially from Goa.
What is my humble request to all of you is, after looking at those survivors, some of them have survived even 17 years after getting cancer of the breast. This is really an achievement. We say if somebody survives more than 5 years, that means he is cured from the breast cancer. It is a kind of a cure, but this is possible only if you come forward in early stages of any nodule or a swelling in the breast. Please come forward and get yourself screened or tested if there is any suspicious lesion in the breast. Thank you.
The chemotherapy that I was supposed to take, I was quoted 10 plus lakhs if I had to do it in a private hospital, but it got done for free at zero cost in the government hospital, that is at GMC. So what does it mean? It means that the government is paying for my expenses, so that when I have been afflicted with a critical sickness like cancer, I need not look at what am I now going to do. Should I not have the resources to pay for it? Does that become a death sentence in terms of not being able to afford? But thanks to the government decision that people who are battling critical sicknesses like cancer are made, the facilities are made available for no charges, and this is something which is done for the welfare of the people in the state. So a real heartfelt thank you to the Health Minister for making policies which are towards the welfare of the people of the state.
I thank the government of Goa in general, the Honorable Health Minister in particular, and the Dean of Goa Medical College to giving us the continuous support in order to treat breast cancer patients, to operate them, for the equipment and the chemotherapy, which sometimes is expensive, and for the continuing support in order to make the patient's life comfortable and to give them a good quality of life.
म्हाका इतलें सांगपाचें आहा की आमच्या गोंयचे जावनी काय गोंयच्या भायल्या लोकांक जावनी जाका कोणाक कॅन्सर जाला अशें दिसता, ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सर आसूं किंवा इवन कसलोय कॅन्सर आसूं, तुमी लिपोवन दवरूंक जायना. तुमी एज अ तुमचे कोण फ्रेंड्स आसा कितें आहा तेंचे कडेन शेअर करूंक जाय. तितलें तुमचें मायंड न्हू फ्रेश रावता. जितके तूं पॉझिटीव विचार करता पळय तितलें तुका बरें आसता. म्हणजे तितलें टेन्शन जायना, तितलें तूं मायंड फ्री रावता. तेन्ना तुमी कितें करूंक जाय, एक तर तुमच्या डॉक्टराक कन्सल्ट करपाक जाय, नाल्यार एज अ कोण पेशंट जी सफर जाले तातूंतल्यान तांकां तुमी मेळूंक जाय आनी तेंचे कडेन तुमचे डाउट्स क्लियर करपाक जाय. ताका लागून तुमी फुडें सरात, घरान बसून रावूं नाका, लोकांच्या लजेक रावूं नाका.
Please don't delay going to the doctor or don't deny that something wrong must have happened to me. The earlier you go for treatment and earlier you go to the doctor, it is better for you as well as for the family also.
Today, as we observe the breast cancer month, for me as a minister, it has been a challenge in order to ensure that we provide the best of healthcare facilities to the people of the state of Goa. As we know that cancer as a disease is overtaken cardiac and many other diseases in the state of Goa. I would like to wish you a good life, all the breast cancer survivors. It's been a challenge. Some of you must have gone through tremendous traumatic experiences, and today, being a survivor itself is an example for others to lead the way you fought this disease, and today you're living your life as much as normal as possible, and which is really something that is hats off to each one of you present here in the audience. It gives me great pleasure to tell you that today we have got amongst us, we have started an oncology department in the Goa Medical College. Today we have got Dr. Anupama Borkar, who is heading the oncology department. We have got also a project sanctioned by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, the new cancer specialty hospital, which is coming up in the premises of the Goa Medical College, for which we have already received 15 crores from the Government of India. The total estimate, along with diagnostics, would cost us up somewhere around 270 crores. Ultimately, what we want to do is to create the awareness among women in rural areas.
So let us all come together to fight breast cancer. Let us have increased awareness, let us have early detection, let us cure when we can, and let us show that we care.
Once again, I would like to say my prayers are with each one of the cancer survivors, and especially all of you who are there in the audience, and we'll continue to do our best to use technology, innovation in order to save lives. Thank you so much.